It is an ever-lifting pleasure that becomes a never-ceasing, always increasing joy. A pleasure and a joy to be here in Vermont, here with you, in this domain and in this dominion of nature. Out of this, if you will, cauldron, and out of this domain of valuation, achievement, and grace. And in the mystery of grace is the new magic that you need to respond to the crises. You know, we talk of the old systems crumbling and the old ways not working. You're seeing it, you're living it. You're seeing the black dogs in your world, not just here in this country, but in the world. You're seeing them tearing apart that fabric so that you, the masterful, map-making magicians, you, the champions of goodness, the champions of truth, you, the sentinels of a world becoming new, can weave it back together again more beautifully than before. Not just making it a better or a different, but making it a new fabric, a new world. But you see, your systems are crumbling. My magic still works, thank you very much. Yes, but not like it has, not like it could. You need a new magic, not just new technique, and not necessarily new technique at all, but a new magic. And that's a magic of grace. And so you gather here in Vermont, in the depths of crises and chaos, in the between, to change the world. And in the process, change yourselves, becoming the champions, becoming the guardians of beauty and the champions of goodness and truth, becoming the sentinels, the weaving magicians of a new world. We do not speak in hyperbole. Metaphor, yes, but not hyperbole. And so we welcome you.